everyone. We are back with Glenn Velvet Reviews today, and it was on sale Black Friday, Cyber Monday, whatever what went on, you know, that holiday weekend. This was on sale. I think it was like $12. I'm going to show you why I got this, what's up, and you know, what kind of happened with my old one, because I think I did a review on the QANVEE or whatever that's called I got off Amazon. That one was awesome while it worked and was great, and then it turned into poops later. But let's get this one out and see what's up. This is what the box looks like, and that's what they say on it. I don't know if any of that's even important or whatever, but there's really nothing else on the box. Oh, here we go. Look at this. I'm sorry. So that's on the back too. You can pause that. Oh, it says there's a screwdriver in there. Wait a second. That's really cool. This is a lot cooler than the other one, and this one definitely looks like it's cheaper made. Alright, so you know how I like to put the measuring instruments, you know, in my videos so you guys can kind of scale and see what's going on here. Alright, so there are no instructions or anything like that. It's pretty much self-explanatory. It doesn't look too crazy, but here's these two rods right here. These two rods are exactly the same, and these are what, 12, almost 10 inches? These rods right here, and then you got the handle, which is cool. I guess, you know, you just screw right in here. And then we'll just put it at the maximum because people are gonna, you know, obviously want to know what it looks like at the max if they're having a big fish tank. Now, I mean, this you could tighten up here, but you can't. You gotta wait till we get to the top and tighten up that. These are the extra blades they give us. They are a little bit different design than the other ones I saw. I found the screw. It was stuck in the bottom of the bag. I got so sad. I'm making like a rhyme. Anyway, this is pretty much what's up here. See, you guys can see, look, it goes from the 10 to what? The 33.5 right there. All right, then this is gonna go on like this. I mean, it feels sturdy enough, you know? I mean, it doesn't feel like awesome. Like, this is just, you know, there's a splice right here. This was just folded together. This isn't really welded or anything, so if you bend on this enough, it might open up here and then start to come out. I'm talking like this might be for a while after you're really, really killing on this thing. You know, this, you could get a year out of this. And for 11 bucks, you know what I mean? What do you want? You know, I'm not looking for the end of the world for $11. There's the guard on it. It comes with a guard, so this way you can store it. No one gets hurt. That's a good thing. But the main reason why I got this version, guys, is why do I have my glasses on still? I'm doing all this work. I forgot I got my glasses on. So there's a big reason why I got this one that was $11. There was other thumb screws one. There were other thumb screw versions, but they were like $24. They were like $24. They were pretty much double to 3 times the price of this for the thumb screws that were just a little bit bigger. I didn't really find that, whatever, but this is the reason why I got it, guys, because I'm going to show you what's up. Where's mine? Right here. All right, guys, so here's the QANVEE, or whatever the version that I did get over here, all right? And this one's a lot longer, honestly. This one has a whole nother section. It goes all, but I'm not doing the review on this, so I don't really care. I did the review on this a while ago, but you know, after a couple of years, look what happened. I lost the screws that go in here, all right? And they are so small. The screws are like, literally, the screws are probably like this big. So I lost one at first, and I was like, you know, whatever. It still worked with the one. I finally lost the other screw probably like 3 weeks ago, and that's why I ordered this. But good thing that I got to order it, because now I get to do a review for everybody on the channel. Here is the plate, it looks like. All right, and then let's get one of these blades out. Now, these blades are going to be a little bit different, I think, than some of the other ones that you did get. I mean, let's see. Oh, no, great. So these are the same exact blades, guys, that are on my QANVEE. All right, the same blade that goes on here is this brand, see? And it pops on just like that, and then the 2 screws would go in there. So that's awesome because I have 2 boxes of these. That's what I love. I love not being wasteful, and I love finding out that I have something that I can now, you know, be efficient. It's just, it turns me on. The easier way would be to take this first, put this through like this. Be careful, it is a blade. It's very thin. It's like a very thin blade, but it still will cut you. All right, and then let's see what's up here. All right, guys, so they give you, what's this, 1, 2, 3, 4. So they give you 10 extra blades in this. I don't know how much you go through blades or anything like that. Now, guys, what I'm happy about the thumb, there's a whole bunch of things why I'm happy about this, because I love longevity. I love having stuff and it lasting forever. It just is such a nice, great thing, especially when you take care of it, and it's just great. Now, check this thing out now. Since it has, you know, the thumb screws, it's going to be easy to take this out every time I'm done, okay? Salt water is a killer, okay? It rusts everything really, really badly, and you don't want that rust in your fish tank. What I've seen already with a lot of these, you know, scrapers, stainless steel, it doesn't matter what kind of metal, any metal will rust in the ocean water, right? Any metal will rust, so it doesn't matter what metal it's made out of. We just got to get that through. It has to be either plastic, you know, PVC, you know, then it won't rust, but that's it. So what I'm saying is, every time you're done, guys, scraping your fish tank and you're done, when you take it out, just take the thumb screws out and leave the blade out. I scrape my tank. You know, I don't have that kind of light. I do not know what kind of fish tank you have. If you have really intense, I don't even know. It doesn't matter, because there's ways to not have algae on your glass, right? There's filter options, there's media options, there's light options. There's many, many options for you not to have glass on your tank, okay? So if you're having to scrape your tank every day, I don't know what to tell you. That's something different. Me, I do my tank like once a week, all right? If you're doing it once a week, then I would say, to get longevity out of this, guys, what you're going to do is, you know, take the screws out of this, you know, when you're done with it, and then just leave the blade out, and then it will never rust. When you go to flip this blade around, the other side is all rusted and a piece of poop. So I'm not going to put a piece of poop in the fish tank, right? That doesn't, why the heck am I going to do that? I mean, I don't know how much you care about your fish, but I mean, you know what I mean? I'm not going to do that. So what I'm saying is that there's no point of doing that. This now, take this out every time you're done. Look, just take these thumb screws out. Bam, done. I just did a review on these. These on Black Friday, guys, for anybody. I don't care what hobby or anything you're in. It's a sealed lid, Rubbermaid. I get these sets for $9. They come with like 50 of these things for $9, guys. Okay, so this is my saltwater drawer. Say you have a setup at your house, you're gonna leave this in. All you gotta do is pop it off, and then it's gonna drop right in here. And even if it's wet, who cares? Salt water, it doesn't matter. It's gonna be all right in here, right inside your drawer. Done. Now next time you come, pop it on, you're set, and you're good. I'm not saying this model is the best. I'm saying longevity for any scraper across the board. I don't sponsor anything. I just do, you know, reviews on as they come in, you know what I mean? But I'm just, for any brand that you get, I look at longevity. That's all I'm saying. I don't even care if this was $5. I still wouldn't make it last 10 years. All right, but that's pretty much what's going on with that. We're gonna come back. We're going to do a review on the 40-gallon breeder. We're going to scrape it. All right, for you guys, I turned on the light 2 days ago for an extra 4 to 5 hours a day. I'm going to wait a couple of days, make that algae get really built up on there, so it really gets me sad and upset to see it. And then I'm going to use this and really get a good test for you guys out of my expense of being sad. All right, so that's it. We'll see you guys probably tomorrow. I'm gonna go scrape it, and hopefully there'll be a lot of algae on that tank. All right, guys.